I'm David Day from Coppell, Texas, and I'm a Berkshire shareholder. Mr. Buffett, what is your opinion of investing in foreign company stocks?
Well, we have a number, well, at least several major businesses, 3 or 4, at least 5, 6, as I count along, that derive very significant percentages of their earnings from the international operations. Coca-Cola earns 80% or more from international operations. Gillette would earn 2/3 or more from international operations. So if you look to where our look-through earnings are coming from, we get a lot from international companies. They don't have to be domiciled outside the United States. It's a slight advantage to us to have them domiciled in this country. For example, their dividends are treated better. We get better treatment on the dividends if they are domestically based rather than based someplace else, just because of the way the U.S. tax laws work. But if Coca-Cola were domiciled in Amsterdam or Gillette were domiciled in London, they had the same basic businesses, we would be attracted to them to virtually the same degree we are as having them domiciled in Atlanta and Boston. We look at businesses outside this country that are domiciled outside this country. Many don't meet our size requirements, but that's true here too. But we have to look at very big companies. But we have nothing against buying into companies that are domiciled, or even buying the entire business of a company that's domiciled outside the United States. We feel slightly less familiar with the tax laws and the corporate cultures, perhaps, but that would not be a huge factor in a great many countries. And we will keep looking. We need to look everywhere with the kind of money that we have available for investment. Charlie?
Again, we've had a wonderful way of playing the rapid development of economies outside the United States, and so far we haven't seen anything that attracted us as being better. And if you can sell Coca-Cola, do you really want to get into steel in Malaysia or something?
We sold a substantial number of Kirby units outside of the United States last year, and that business has grown very significantly in recent years, and I think it promises to grow more. We're always looking for opportunities. Some things travel very well, and some things don't. I mean, Gillette travels, Disney travels, McDonald's travels, Coke travels. See's Candy doesn't travel as well. It might if you spent 50 years working on it, but it's not an easy thing to travel. Actually, candy bars themselves don't travel very well. If you look at the top-selling candy bars in France or in England, in Japan, you don't find the similarity that you find in terms of the best-selling soft drinks or movies or fast food hamburgers or razor blades. And
except Snickers. For some reason, Snickers.
Well,
travels very well. Don't ask me why.
Yeah. Well, Charlie's had a lot of experience as he goes around the world. You don't want to eat where we eat. You may want to invest where we invest, but